welcome to Sister Super Surprises. Today, last video, we had made an orange pie crust. Today we will be rolling this out, baking it, and making a filling for the chocolate pie.
And you want to have
Okay, so now the ingredients. We have already preheated the oven to 350.
Okay.
So we have flour. You need flour.
because you need to put it on your rolling pin so it doesn't stick to the dough.
And also on here. You're going to need heavy beans. Your dough, of course. Rolling pin. So here's your heavy beans.
Cocoa.
These are ceramic heavy beans. We'll save the ingredients for the filling after, but you'll need this. You'll need a rolling pin. You'll need ceramic weights for the pie. You're going to need the crust. You're going to need the flour. You're going to need some a pie pan, and your beautiful parchment paper. Beautiful. Now we're going to roll out our pie. So I'll go first.
My turn.
3,
Wait, Andrew.
4, your turn.
Can you move the flower bowl for her?
Me and my sister wrote gigantic lists to Santa, so we're not expecting everything. Most of my list is ingredients, so it's basically a grocery list. And hers is mostly like
Paint and glitter.
paint, glitter, and crafts. If you got any cracks, just use your fingers and try to squish the cracks.
I just pinch it and then it goes back. See, like this was a crack and I just pinched it like that and
that. No, I mean like if you got separate. Okay, Andrew, you might want to move it. Move it. Andrew. Your rolling pin.
It feels like some flowers.
You keep saying that.
Because it does.
It's weird.
Okay. What do you think?
I think that's good.
I hit my head.
What did you do? You're like, ooh. Now we've put this pie crust in the pan.
And now we're going to use a fork to just do a light press, but it can't be really hard or then the crust
Pie crust will break. Yeah.
So
We put it in, so you want to just look at that.
So you don't actually just want to hold it with your hand. You want to put it onto a rolling pin and then cut off the edges with a knife.
Now you're going to put the holes?
Now use your fork
Gently.
to gently poke holes around in the bottom so that it lets out air and it
How come
doesn't.
it looks different?
And the sides too. You have to put holes.
You're gonna take your parchment, Andrew. You're gonna take your parchment.
With a fork.
Oh my God, you have to
And
be gentle.
with your ceramic beans, take it down.
You can just,
You
okay,
can pour
you can pour that in.
So you're just gonna. You can use dry beans or ceramic beans. Either is okay. But just make sure that you got it all flat out so that it doesn't become a bubbly crust and it stays nice and flat.
Now we're going to pop this in the oven.
Yes. Pop. Interesting.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye. Bye.
So we've just gotten the pie out. It has been in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. And we've just taken it out. And it's looking great. So now we're going to do our delicious, beautiful filling. Now, whisk this together. I'm using my stand mixer. I don't think you've met it. Her name is Hugger, because when I got it for my 6th birthday, I hugged her so
Whip me
much.
with your hair.
And she's wearing a slipper. So,
Because he's a chef.
you may need a parent's help to put this on.
You're coming.
Now we're going to mix it. So we're going to put it on stir fry.
Too loud.
And now you can see that it's mixing up well.
It kind of looks like a batter.
It is, because it's chocolate pie. So now put it on your tip. And let it mix. If you want, for decoration, you can use some more
Strawberries and raspberries.
strawberries or raspberries, whipped cream and some more orange zest.
This so bad.
I learned this from a couple shows.
Scroll of chocolate?
No.
Oh.
You can watch, and a good way to practice baking is to watch the shows. Some funny ones are Nailed It, where they force them to make really professional treats,
But they just
it
take
turns
home-
out terrible
That's why it's called Nailed It.
because
But Sugar Rush is like they take people that know how to bake and
we're coming up. Let's just wipe it over. No. And my sister has this thing where she tries to spell out a word with her hand and it goes hilariously wrong.
no, that is that.
Here's a nice bowl full of deliciousness.
All right.
So, now we're going to pour the filling into the pie and bake for 45 minutes. Until the filling is set around the edges, but still a little jiggly in the center.
Okay.
So these are the ceramic beads, and we just took it out of the oven.
Yeah.
And it's ready. So now we're gonna take the
Ceramic beads out.
So
Okay.
it's good that you have this, so then you can just take it out, and you don't have to take it one at a time.
And I'm just giving our chocolate mix a quick hand twist just to make sure that there are no chocolate chunks
So
left.
chocolatey.
Now we are going to pour in this chocolate.
La 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 la
And
la.
watch your hands.
Watch your hands.
Lift it up a little higher. There you go.
Yes. This is our pie. It's beautiful and delicious. Do you want to say it took a little bit longer than I expected? It said 45 minutes, but it took a little bit over an hour. It will taste delicious, and I'm really excited. Bye for now.